Today, we've got something exciting for you as I will be discussing about 5 small business ideas under $500. First up, we have the concrete troweling machine. This little powerhouse is priced at just $120. It's perfect for anyone looking to get into the construction business. With this machine, you can start a small business offering concrete finishing services. All you need is a bit of training to operate the machine efficiently. You can target local builders and homeowners who need smooth concrete surfaces for driveways, patios, and floors. Other requirements include basic safety gear like gloves, safety glasses, and a small transportation vehicle to carry your equipment to job sites. Next, we have the rubber stamp making machine, which costs around $300. This is a fantastic business idea for those who love creativity and design. With this machine, you can create custom rubber stamps for businesses, schools, and individuals. All you need is some stamp-making material and design software to create unique designs. You can sell your stamps online or at local markets. Other requirements? Just some basic art supplies and an online presence to showcase your designs. Our third idea is the Tufting Gun Machine, priced at $125. This machine is perfect for starting a custom rug business. Tufting guns are easy to use and allow you to create beautiful, custom-designed rugs. You'll need yarn, fabric, and a bit of creativity to get started. These custom rugs can be sold online or at local craft fairs. Other requirements include a workspace where you can create and store your rugs and an online shop to reach more customers. Fourth on our list is the computerized sewing and embroidery machine. Prices start from $500, making it a great investment for those interested in fashion and customization. With this machine, you can offer custom embroidery services on clothing, accessories, and home decor items. You'll need fabric, thread, and design software to get started. Market your services to local boutiques, schools, and online shoppers. Other requirements include a good workspace, marketing materials, and an online portfolio to showcase your work. Next, we have the carpet cleaning machine, priced at $200. This is an excellent business idea for those looking to offer cleaning services. With a carpet cleaning machine, you can start a small business providing carpet and upholstery cleaning services to homes and offices. You'll need cleaning solutions, basic marketing materials, and a vehicle to transport your equipment. Other requirements? Just a little bit of training on how to use the machine and some customer service skills to keep your clients happy. Comment down below if you want the link to buy these machines.